Hi everyone, it's Philippa at Flipcat Craft. Thanks for stopping by. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got two things to show you. It's for a work friend of mine who I know follows the channel, and this won't go up until after she receives it, but just hello Joe. I have been inspired by some videos I've seen, process videos I've seen from Yvonne Preston, which I'll link below, and also a couple from Tina at Shabby Dabby Doodah, just to make just a journal or a notebook with a lot of blank pages, not too many flips or folds or things like that. And so I thought I would have a go at that. So this is, it's got a elastic binding, and it's got one signature, you can see there, sewn and then slipped into the elastic. And this is made from a page, 12 by 12 page from the Mariposa set by Die Cuts with a View. I've had it for ages, and it's really nice thick cardstock. And I'm just going to do a quick flip through. So that's one of my printables. That's just some punch shapes, and I cut this across so it's still the 12 inches across, although I might have trimmed it a little bit. I think that was 9-ish inches high. And then when you open it up, I've used another paper from the set to make a little pocket there. I probably should have made it a little bit wider. This is just a faux postage from one of my Your Creative Studio boxes, and I've just used some offcuts from my journal, from my pages, just to make a little flippy pad. This is just a collage masterboard journal card that I made previously. I've shown that before. And this is just also from Die Cuts with a View set that had butterflies, and I thought that they are nice journal cards, so I've just put them in there. This is a washi tape. Doesn't have butterflies, but it's I thought similar colours to that. Oh, and I've also put like gold wax, gilding wax around the edges. Anyway, I haven't done any stenciling or anything. I don't know if my friend does much journaling, so I wanted to make it more of a notebook that she could use. So it's just different types. So that's coffee stain paper. That's not coffee stain, it's a textured paper. I put another little flippy, another little tuck spot there. It's one of my printables, and that's a tag I made using the same paper. And then that's from Die Cuts with a View, so that's something you can write on. And then there's four perforated little decorative spots you could stick down on a page. And then just some more pages. Some of them I've just rounded the edges. This lined paper. Oh, this is fun. This is lined on one page and manuscript paper on the other. I've used some stickers that came with the butterfly Die Cuts with a View set. It looks like craft paper. It's not. It's a handmade paper with petals in it. I've used it before. I really love it, and it's getting low, so I'm just using like half pages at a time now. So similar paper but white. Some lined paper. This is just a fold out spot, and this is using one of the round Clippiola clips I've used before. I decided not to glue it down, and then that's a tag using the butterfly Die Cuts with a View again, and that's one of my printable tags. You can punch a hole there. I didn't, because I didn't know what they'd want to use it for. But I thought that was really cute. And that's the center. Obviously, I've left this for now, but that can be trimmed shorter, or it could be left like that and have like some beads or something put on it. I just wasn't sure what Joe might want to do. Turn the page. And there's some more round pages. This is it's actually like a post-it-y kind of thing. It's called sticky notes. So that's removable, but I just thought it was a nice thing to put there. It's the other one of those, another sticker. Some more copied out pages and some stickers. And we get to the back, we've got another bit of that paper and just some more bits and pieces. Stamped butterfly image, that's from the Tim Holtz field notes, I think it's called. Some punched tags from a Kaiser Craft set. Just a little jar with it's on vellum with a quote on it. That's from Die Cuts with a View. That's another punch tag. I love my tag punch. That's from my printables. I love that. My big tulip. That's a thicker journal card from Die Cut to Review, and that's just some stickers in the shape of travel tickets. So that's that, and I made I've put eyelets and you can tie that up. Oh, and on the back that's just stamped. It's an Anna Griffin stamp, an old one, and that's from the field note set again. And yeah, so it's just a small one. As I said, I don't know if my friend does much journaling, so I wanted to make it usable just as a regular notebook, if with a fancy notebook. And this is the matching birthday card. This was part of the same page, 12 by 12 page. I didn't want to cut this up. I would have had to, even if I'd made it a journal card or something, it was going to be too big for the size of the notebook I made. So I was thinking about it. I thought, look, I'm just going to use it on the card and I'll fold it over. So that's one of my printables, and I've just got some pearls on it. Inside I've just got a happy birthday stamp with a butterfly. That's the same as that one, I think. Oh no, it's not. It's a different one. Oh well, got a lot of butterfly stamps. And then just some of the offcuts. I love using offcuts on envelopes. It just matches the envelope to the card, and it's a way to use up some of your scraps. That's from my nestability set, and the matching pearls to tie that back, and then that's the same butterfly again. Anyway, that's just a quick little video about this matching card and notebook set I've made, and I'll put this up after I've given it to my colleague. So thanks for stopping by, everyone. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you like this kind of thing. I really loved making this little notebook. I'm going to make more of them. I think it's a great way to use up a lot of the cardstock I have, and I think if I used, say, a double-sided paper here, that would be a nice way to show off some of the other papers I've got. I have a lot. I'm trying to get through them. I might be doing this forever, but that's okay. But because this is quick. I mean, I've been doing some bigger versions that have more signatures and things, and you know, stenciling on every page and that sort of thing. They take a long time. So there's 10 pages folded. There's 20 pages all up, and then they're double-sided. So that's 40 pages of writing space plus all the little extras I've added in, and that took me sort of 1.5 evenings, and I reckon I could do quite a few of those. So that's fun. All right, thanks everyone. Catch you soon. Bye.